Good afternoon. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Wahyudi Hidayat. I'm representing Group 4, and today we are going to explain about things that affects the currency rates. Come. The first question is that what affects currency rates? There are several things that can affect the currency rates, but we are now going to focus on the question of the case especially in Thailand case. There's a lot of things that can affect currency rate. First, inflation and recession. Second, interest rate. Third, economic fundamentals. Fourth, political. And fifth, foreign trade. Okay, now we are going to explain to you what is the relationship between political stability and capital flight. First, we are going to explain to you about what is capital flight. Capital flight is a large and sudden reduction in the demand for assets located in a country. Okay, we are going to continue about political instability and its relationship to the capital flight. Capital flight has its largest impact on the country from which the capital is fleeing, but it also affects other countries. If investors become concerned about the safety of their investments, capital can quickly leave an economy. Then interest rate increase and the domestic currency depreciate. Okay, now we are going to answer the question about the relationship between stability and political in Thailand. When investors around the world observe that there is political problems in Thailand, they will move their funds and sell some of their assets and use to proceed to buy assets of other countries. This matters. It means that the increase of Thailand's net capital outflow means that the demand for loanable funds in the loanable funds market increase, which increases the interest rate. This increases the supply of baht, that's the currency of Thailand, in the foreign currency exchange market. And when the supply increases in the exchange market, it means a lot of supply of baht flooding the exchange market, thus depreciation of Thailand. Okay guys, continuing the answer of political instability in Thailand and its relation to the currency rate. The decision of investor to move their funds out of Thailand increases Thailand net capital outflow. The impact of this increase in net capital outflow is that the demand for loanable funds in the loanable funds market also increase, and it is shown in our graph. And okay, let me show you about the graph. Come. This is our friend. Hello guys.
Yo, what's up?
Sudah selesai?
Okay, we are going to show you. This is the graph of the impact of net capital outflow. As I told you before that, when the net capital outflow increase, then the demand for loanable funds in the loanable funds market increase. It is shown in this graph as D1, and then it is shifted to D2. It means that the demand for loanable funds shifted to D2, increase in D2. And this also causes the increase of the interest rate, which is shown in the graph as R1, 62 are R2. You know why this is happened? Because a higher real interest rate encourages people to save and raises the quantity of loanable funds supply. The interest rate adjusts to bring the supply and demand for loanable funds. Okay, guys, now we are going to conclude the answer of our group about Thailand case. That the increasing of interest rate in one side attracts or encourages people to save, which will increase the loanable fund supply in terms of balancing the demand and supply of loanable funds. But don't forget, on the other side, the increase of interest rate obstruct people to invest, which can drive a slow growth of a Thailand economy. And at the end, of course, that the recession will happen in Thailand. I think that's all, ladies and gentlemen. We are very grateful and thanks for your attention. I'm representing Group 4, I myself, Wahyudi Hidayat, and my 3 other friends, Mr. Zaldi Sohatman, Mr. Anung Moko Prabowo, and Mr. Lakrin Aldino. Thank you. Especially we are going to thanks to Mr. Budi Arta Surya and Mr. Onibidin Mintoro. Thank you for your kind lecture.